Mia Mooses. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a duct tape iPod pouch to hang near your charger so that way it doesn't just sit on the ground where it can get dusty, dirty, and or stepped on. We don't want that. So what you're going to need is iPod with or without a case, it's not going to matter, or your phone, iPod, iPad, mini iPad, and or a watch you need to charge, like your Apple Watch, that too. So what you'll need, well, one, you're going to need one of these, an electronic device, 1 or 2 rolls of duct tape. I know pink and purple because, if you know me, they're my favorite colors. If you don't know me, they're my favorite colors. And scissors or an X-Acto knife. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to measure your iPod or phone or whatever you're using. How I measure without a ruler is you're going to take some of your duct tape, your base color, take that, smooth it down on there. You're going to take your iPod or phone, just going to place it right down the center. If it fits, great. But you're going to need a little bit of wiggle room on the side. So you're just going to snip it how tall it is, because you're going to need that. And a little bit above your case, your device. You're going to take that off. Flatten that, and you're just gonna put another piece right next to it. Super simple so far. Take that, you can either go this way, you can go this way. I'm gonna go this way. So since you got like the base of it down, you're gonna need to make 2 of these. So now that we got our 2 pieces, we're going to rip that, flip it over, and we're going to set that one to the side. We're going to work on this one. Rip that up. Then you're going to take your second color. We're just going to we're just gonna stick that right on the sticky side to sticky side. This just does not want to stay. Alright, now that we got that down, we're going to do the same. We're going to do the same thing to this guy. So now that we got this down, and we have both the sides taped. So we got pink and purple, purple and pink. Fun, fun, fun. We're going to trim off the excess of the stickiness on these sides. You can trim it, or you can just cut a small square right there. Yeah, there you go. You're gonna do that to all the corners. Cut all the sides, you're just gonna take it, you're just gonna fold it over so it has a nice smooth edge to it. same thing to this. As soon as you have these two pieces all taped up and ready, then we're going to sorry about that. We're gonna take one of the we're gonna take, as soon as you get to this part, then you're gonna take your device, you're gonna sit in the center to make sure that you have enough space on all the sides. Then you're gonna take this and we're gonna put it right over to measure it and see where it comes. And if it only comes like a certain way, just fold back how much you want it to show. And just fold that. You're gonna have a little dent right here. You're just gonna snip that off. If it wants to. There we go. So, nice and cut. It's gonna go right there. So you can just like slide it in and out. No biggie. And if you have a charger on the bottom of your phone, then you're gonna have to make a little slot on the bottom, which I'll show you how to do. If you don't, then you don't have to do that part. So right now we're gonna be making the sides so that way this thing could like fold like this and it can just pop out, so it makes it a little easier. I'm gonna be using purple because purple's a great color. Gonna take this piece like so. Gonna measure this piece right here. Sorry, I'm talking a little weird, but that's the way I am. No judging allowed. Just gonna measure that. It's gonna go snip, snip. Now I'm gonna do snip, snip. Just gonna make two of those, same size. Go. And we're gonna take dish. We're just going to fold this in half. Do that to this one too. It wants to come up. There we go. There we go. Very simple. And then as soon as you do this, fold in half again. So it kind of makes like a little flap, like a hot dog bun. Do the same with the other one. There we go. Those are two little flaps. So these are just going to be, at the time we're going to tape this to the side. Put this on the top and just stick right there.